We're going to take a look at Component Explorer in SOLIDWORKS Flow Simulation. Component Explorer allows you to speed up the review for large electronic assemblies for thermal management problem. You can access the Component Explorer by right-clicking the input data or going through the tools in Flow Simulation Tools. It automatically scans through the model and lists the components, the material, volume heat sources, printed circuit board definitions, and 2-resistor component. You can control the display of these columns by toggling on or off these filter buttons. The benefit of this tool is not just for reviewing it, but you can also use this to add new definitions or edit the definition. For example, I have PCB connector generating 10 watts. I can directly edit the value here by double-clicking the cell and updating the value. I can also change the material definitions by going into the material column. So just click on the cell, and then from the drop down you can select the relevant material. Same thing applies for the PCB definitions. You can change the material here, and also for the 2-resistor component. So this is a fast way of making changes, adding new specification when working with thermal problems such as this. I hope you find this useful and can give it a try. Thank you.